Let's start off tonight by talking in our opening statement about the difference, if there is a difference, between having a wreck in your car, which we all know, get out your insurance card, call the police, and hope no one got hurt. Is boating different on area lakes, a public waterway? What's the thought on that?
Yeah, so like most other things in the law, the answer is, Mike, it depends. And so it depends on the facts of the case. They're not identical to a boat wreck, to a car wreck case, but they are similar. And so some common things that we see, and they're on the screen there for viewers, is when boats collide with other boats, that can cause significant injury or property damage. Sometimes even traveling too close to another boat's wake can cause damage to your boat or even personal injury. And then finally, there's debris in the lakes and rivers, rocks, logs, that kind of thing. Those can be particularly dangerous, especially at night. I know you spend some time on the lake too, and you really have to be careful at night.
We love to be out at sunset, but when we need the lights, we start heading back home because I don't know how those fishermen do it. They go what looks like 50 miles an hour across the lake in the dark. And I know there's some dangers out there, but
you're really, I guess, not flying blind, you're boating blind,
you
right?
Are,
I mean, all you can see at night on a boat is really just, if you're lucky, the shoreline, right?
The lights on your boat are so people can see you.
Right.
It doesn't really help you.
They don't help you illuminate what's in front of you. You can sometimes see the shoreline, but you don't know how for instance, how close the ground underneath the shoreline is. Are there shallow areas, or there little islands, or there logs? And so, we always advise our clients to, one, make sure you have enough life jackets on the boat. And two, Mike, nobody likes to wear them. But if you're not wearing them and you're in a significant wreck, the chances of you surviving are pretty slim.
Especially if you keep them down in the hold of the boat or down in underneath, that's going to be tough. So at least have them within reach.
At least. But even then, if you're involved in a high-speed impact, you're not really going to have time to get them.
That's true.
So we, wear the life preservers. Make sure you have the throw cushion like you're supposed to. I bet you're probably safety conscious about all that.
Yeah, and it's the law.
Yeah, it is, right.
You got to have one.
Your boat, I presume, has a fire extinguisher on it.
Got to have that, too.
Those are all things that I think at the beginning of the summer, people ought to check out on their boats.